In this tutorial, I'll show you how to restore the search bar on your Android home screen. If you find this guide helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more tips. Sometimes your search bar might disappear from the screen, but it's easy to bring it back. Let me walk you through the simple steps. Start by tapping and holding on any empty space on your home screen. A menu will appear at the bottom of the screen with a few options. One of them is widgets. Tap on it. You'll then see various widgets that you can add. Scroll down and look for the option labeled Search or Google. Tap on it, and you'll see different styles of search bars. Select the one that works best for you. Tap Add, and there you go. If you want to move it around, just tap and hold the search bar and drag it to your preferred spot on the screen. And that's it! Now you've got the Google search bar back on your Android home screen, ready for quick searches anytime. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help.